This is one of the numerical problem of SLC 2072. Now I am going to show you the solution. How do we get solution of this numerical problem? At first, let's talk about this. I want to read this. If two bodies are kept at a distance of 400 meters, the gravitational force between the bodies is 4.16875 into 10 power 4 Newton. The mass of one body is this much. Find the mass of the another body. It means two bodies. Let's say this is one body, this is another body. They are kept at a distance of 400 meters. One of the mass is given and its mass is 2 into 10 to the power 7 kg. Another mass is the question. Question is another mass. How much is the second mass is asked. If this is M1, then M2 is what? This is the question. Shortcut explanation about the question. Now let's go through detail. Distance. If two bodies are kept at a distance of 400 meters, it means we have to write distance first. Given is distance. Distance is D, and this is 400 meter. The gravitational force between the body is this much. Gravitational force. Gravitational force F between them is given as 4.16875 into 10 to the power 4 Newton. The mass of one body is this much. Mass of one body, mass of first body. We can use symbol M1. This is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 7 kilogram. Find the mass of the another body. Mass of another body is asked. Mass of second body, which can be denoted by M2 and the question mark. M2 is the question. But gravitational constant is given. That's why we can write here, or we can write directly. Gravitational constant is denoted by capital G. This is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. This is the numerical given. Now we have to go through solutions. Very easy. This is the formula we are using. F equal to capital G M1 M2 by D square, and the values we have to put here. This value of Z is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. We are not taking units in the process. And into 2 into 10 to the power 7. This is the value of M1. And another value, M2 is not given. We are going to calculate M2, question mark. And distance between them is given, that is 400. The 400 is the distance between them. It is 400 square, because D square. Don't make mistake. Only we will write sometimes 400 only, and solution becomes wrong. Okay, now what to do? F is also given. That's why I want to write the value of F also here. This F is given here. 4.16875 into 10 to the power 4. Now we have to take M2 at one side into 10 to the power 4 into 400 square. 400 square is taken to left hand side. This is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 2 into 10 to the power 7 into M2. Now M2 is if taken in the same side. If it is written in the same side, then 4.16875 into 10 to the power 4 into 4 4s are 16 and how many zeros we have to write? If there are 2 zeros, then in solution we can write 2 zeros square becomes 4 zeros, and that's why we have to write 16 having 4 zeros. Now 6.67 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 7, this is equal to M2. Now I want to multiply these values. Look at this. This is or this is equal to 4.16875 into, now this is very big number, that's why I want to convert this into a small number. If point is not here, then we can say that point is at this position, we can shift it to this position. That's why 1.6, how many digits shifted? 1 2 3 4 5. That's why 1.6 into 10 to the power 5 is equal to 16 having 4 zeros into 10 to the power 4. This is also written. Now whole upon now 6.67 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 11 and 10 to the power 7 plus 10 to the power 7 is taken in the same power is equal to M2. Now I am using calculator. 4.16875 multiplied by 1.6 is equal to 6.67. This is equal to 6.67. That's why I am writing 6.67 into 10 to the power 5 plus 4 becomes 10 to the power 9. And here 6.67 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 11 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we have minus 4. This is equal to M2. Now I am going to write at other place, or M2 is equal to 6.67, and 6.67 can be cancelled, and there is nothing, there is 1 in the numerator. 1 divided by 2 becomes 0.5. Here so nothing is there, that's why 1 divided by 2 becomes 0.5, and 10 to the power into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power 4 is, if taken in numerator, it becomes 10 to the power minus 4 becomes plus 4, and therefore we can write this way: M2 is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power 13. 10 to the power 13. Now if this point is shifted to this right hand side, M2 is equal to, if point is shifted to right hand side, we will have 5. If one digit is shifted, that's why 10 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 1. If one digit shifted right, 10 to the power minus 1. One digit shifted left hand side, then 10 to the power plus 1. Here minus 1 into 10 to the power 13. 10 to the power 13 minus 1 becomes 12. That's why value of M2 will be 5 into 10 to the power 12. Mass is measured in kilogram. That's why this is the result. I mean to say mass of second body is 5 into 10 to the power 12 kg.